It's raining out here. I don't know if I should make a video on my tablet outside or not. Here's another green update, and I got to go get some eggs at the chicken house, which I've been lazy and left them in there all week long. Oh yeah, I need to show you. If you get rain going down your hill, just dig a little ditch here. I think that's kind of. I don't think that do anything, but it does. First, we got to let chickens out, and make sure that this iPad don't get soaking wet. Because I'm starting at YouTube videos. Guess what's coming? The camera. Can't see in there, I guess. Nah. Can't see in there. Oh, yeah, keep seeing. Yeah, I mowed this with some riding mower. Which I might make a. Wait, let's just wait, because I might have to set this iPad down. Yeah. This thing is like, you know, one of those tractor flips things that hook up your point. Oh no. Yeah, I have to come back up here later and get the egg, because this is like all wet here. And I think that's an egg right there. Well, I need to check on. Well, see, we got gutters on the barn now. And, I don't know, some lawnmower tracks. Yeah, it looks good from here. There's my neighbor's garage. Looks super green. Thanks to all this rain. Yeah, it sells in this storage building. I don't know. That's like one of my stands I try to make. There's a little bug on it. I need to check the sheeps. And look, you see my riding mowers I use. No, my riding mower I use, which is a 28-inch. Here's a Kubota, which I don't like. There's a sapper. Usually goes in that building over there, but yeah, the battery dang. This battery works, but I'm not going to start it. Maybe on Sunday. Because sometimes I can make videos on Sunday. Yeah. I don't know if I'm going to mow my cock patcher or not. But the sheep, sheep are out in the field, aren't they? Oh, here they are. Hey sheep, say hi to YouTube. Not YouTube. Guys, come over here. You're getting recorded. Looks like their gate got something. Okay, come on. Come on. There's a ram and that's a grown up. Or kid. I think that. Hey, is this your baby? Is it? Say yes or no. Can you say? Do you know how to say yes and no? Do you? You know how to say yes and no? Yeah, I think that's yes. With our ears down. I don't know. We can do that. Move our ears like cats and dogs, horses and pigs. Hey, Romeo, which you're the only one that has a name. I might name your kids. Oh, there's the other ram. You know what? I've been thinking about naming you guys. Okay, Romeo, is that okay? Is it? Romeo, is it okay? Yes? Okay, I need to put this video because there's 18,000 dots of water on the screen. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos from the Bronzes 54 channel. And my videos are getting updated. Not updated. They're gonna come in the barn, talk a little bit. My video might include HO trains. And a bunch of you guys are in the hobby. Right? I'm sitting on the lawnmower. I could probably make a video. I'm gonna do HO trains, maybe. And maybe some bush hogging with the 1951 Ford 8N. With, I don't know what kind of bush hog that is, but I know that one's a land fry. But, so, I need to, in this video here, okay, this is how you take the brake off. Okay, now see you later. Bye.